Guys, most AI app builders today are optimized for one thing, generating output as fast as possible. But honestly, speed becomes useless if you end up building the wrong thing in the first place. Usually, the workflow is fragmented. You research in one tool, brainstorm in ChatGPT, track competitors somewhere else, and finally move into another platform just to start building. Somewhere in the middle, context gets lost. The AI forgets things, and you spend more time repeating yourself than actually creating. That's why today I want to test Rocket Neo 1.0 because this platform is trying to approach the workflow differently. Instead of treating research, competitive intelligence, and building as separate steps, Rocket Neo combines all of them inside one connected project system. The idea isn't just faster execution, it's making better decisions before the building even starts. Rocket Neo already has more than 105 million users across 180 countries, and with Rocket Neo 1.0, they're calling this the world's first vibe solutioning platform. So today, I'm going to try building a real AI platform for creators while testing whether Rocket Neo can actually maintain context and intelligence across the workflow. The first thing I'm doing is creating a project, and honestly this already feels different from most AI tools I've tested. Every research report, competitor insight, build, and future task lives inside this single project workspace. So instead of constantly re-explaining context between tools, Rocket Neo keeps everything connected from the beginning. Before building anything, I first want to answer a bigger question. Would creators actually need a platform like this? And what are current AI creator tools missing? So, inside the same project, I open Rocket Neo, solve and generate a research report around YouTube growth tools, thumbnail optimization systems, creator retention strategies, and competitor positioning. Instead of generating one generic AI answer, Rocket Neo breaks the problem into multiple research layers automatically. Market gaps, monetization opportunities, competitor weaknesses, and feature opportunities. The final output honestly feels much closer to a real strategy report than a chatbot response. And one thing I genuinely didn't expect is that the entire report can instantly be converted into a PowerPoint deck inside the same workflow. Then I move into Rocket Intelligence. Normally, competitor research becomes outdated almost immediately. You manually check pricing pages, product launches, and marketing changes, then forget about them a few days later. But Rocket Neo continuously tracks signals directly inside the same project. Website changes, messaging shifts, product updates, marketing activity, and positioning changes. And instead of treating those as isolated updates, Rocket Neo connects patterns together. For example, if a competitor changed pricing while also shifting their marketing language and hiring for enterprise-focused rules, Rocket Neo interprets that as one strategic move instead of random disconnected updates. Only after all of that do I move into the build section. And honestly, this is where the platform starts feeling less like a chatbot and more like a real production environment. Rocket Neo already gives structured categories for different products, landing pages, dashboards, SaaS platforms, websites, mobile apps, and e-commerce systems. The template ecosystem is also much larger than I expected, with production-grade examples for dashboards, SaaS workflows, analytics systems, and mobile experiences. So this time, I wanted to test something more realistic, not just a simple landing page, but a real AI platform for creators that can generate thumbnails, titles, and video ideas for YouTubers. So I enter one simple request: build an AI platform that helps YouTubers generate thumbnails, titles, and video ideas. And instead of asking for huge prompts or complicated explanations, Rocket News starts guiding the workflow step by step while maintaining all the context from the earlier research and intelligence stages. That's the important part here. I'm not re-explaining the market research. I'm not pasting competitor analysis. The project already knows everything that happened before this point. The system asks a few short clarification questions, then starts generating the structure automatically and even writes the code live in front of you. Once the preview is ready, the project already feels surprisingly complete. The hero section, dashboard, parsing structure, output system, thumbnail examples, and generation areas are already built. And the workflow doesn't stop after generation. This is where precision mode becomes the main focus. Instead of writing long prompts over and over again, Rocket New lets you work using direct commands. I use update branding to rename the project, and the branding updates across the platform instantly. Then I use add feature to create an AI score system that predicts how likely thumbnails are to get clicks. Even small refinements become much faster. One line inside the hero section didn't have enough contrast, so instead of writing a giant explanation, I simply used the update content command. Rocket New improves the readability automatically. As the project evolves, it starts feeling less like a mock-up and more like a real production-ready product. Here, I add a launch countdown, activate a notification system, and connect Twilio and Superbase directly into the same workflow. And honestly, one of the biggest differences I notice is that the second task inside the same project actually becomes smarter than the first one. Rocket New remembers the research, positioning, branding decisions, and competitive intelligence automatically. Most AI tools reset context every time you open a new conversation. Here, context compounds, and collaboration is built directly into the workflow too. I invited another teammate into the same project, and instantly they could see the research, competitive intelligence, build a structure, and every decision that had already been made. No onboarding docs, no long explanation calls, the full context transfers automatically. And honestly, after testing the full workflow, Rocket New feels much closer to an operating system for decision making and product execution than a normal AI builder. Most AI tools optimize output generation. Rocket New 1.0 feels much more focused on helping you make better decisions before execution even begins. If you want to test it yourself, check out Rocket New in the description below. And now I'm curious, if you had an AI workflow that could research, track competitors, and build inside one Connect project, what would you create with it? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.